Okay, so hey everyone, this side Chris come back with another new video. Now today in this video I'm going to show you how we can create this type of AI video by the help of your Android phone, Android tablets or Windows PC, Windows a laptop here. If you having any specific device and you want to create this type of AI video, then how we can create here. First you have to install one application. Its name is ChatGPT. So you can install this application. After that, login or sign up here. Then you have to tap on three lines here and tap on application section here. So you can notice here project, images and applications. So you have to tap on app section here. After this type of page appear here, so you have to tap on right corner GPTs, and after that you have to search one things here. So I'm going to create this video here. So I'm going to search here animals X-ray. After that, this type of suggestion appear here. So you have to tap on first option here, animal X-ray video or shorts here. After that, tap on start chats. Then you have to put here command which type of video you want to create here by the help of ChatGPT. ChatGPT basically provide you prompt here. So I'm going to create video of a human here. So I'm going to put this command here. If human are take insufficient sleep for 15 days, you can put your prompt according to your idea here, and after that you have to put here I want to create a video. After some time it will complete a script with scene and role here. So you have to simply copy this script and paste in application. After that you can create easily. So let's talk about how we can create a AI video after generating of AI script here. So after that, open Play Store and you have to install one application. Its name is YouTube Create. So install this application in your device. After that, open this application. It will ask for sign in or sign up. Then sign in or sign up your account here first. After that, this type of page appear here. So simply scroll down here, and you can notice here in get started section here 3 or 4 options appear here. So simply you have to tap on generate video here, and after that tap on continue. Then this type of interface appear here. So in first section you have to put your script, and in second section you have to upload one or more than one reference image here. So I'm going to put here 3 reference image. So let's talk about how we can generate reference image. So simply open ChatGPT here, and you have to put your character detail here. So if you want to create here a skeleton video, like if you want to create a Hulk video, like this type of prompt you have to describe here. So I'm going to create here a transparent human. So I'm going to put this command. After that it will create here some reference image here. So you have to create first reference image. After that you have to put all this type of command here. So you can notice here I have successfully create one reference image by the help of ChatGPT. I am going to generate 2 more image from ChatGPT. So you can notice here I have successfully generated one image, and after that I am going to put a command here, 2 more with different angle. By this prompt, ChatGPT create 2 more different image with different angle here. So you can notice here this type of image finally generated here. After that I am going to also create in a standing position. So I put this command here, also create in a standing position. It will take around 5 to 10 seconds to generating one image. So you can notice here I have successfully generated all these type of reference image. So download all these image in your device here. After that, open here YouTube Create here. Before, make sure you have download all this image in your device. After that, copy first command here or first prompt here. So I'm going to copy this first prompt here. After that, open YouTube Create in your device here, and you have to paste your prompt here first. After that, you have to attach 3 image here. So I'm going to attach first 3 image. Then I am going to put this command here. After that, tap on generate. Take around 30 to 40 second maximum to maximum. So wait for generating this first video here. After that, you have to tap on use video. And if you want to generate different videos, then simply tap on try again. If you want to save this video, then you can tap on use video. After that, this type of interface appear here. So you have to tap on simply home button here. And after that, you have to copy second prompt here. So copy first second prompt, then tap on home button here. Again tap on generate video. Put your command here. After that, select your reference image here. And after that, tap on generate. Okay, after that, tap on use video here. First, you have to generate all video here first, and after that you have to export your video. Then you can edit your video and voice over, all these type of things after you can do. You can notice here I have generate all this video by this repeating step here. So you can notice here your recent project here. So simply select your first project here first, and after that you have to tap on export, and you have to select your resolution according to your device. After that, tap on export here, and if you ask for some permission, then allow all permission here. So you have to export all this video first here. After that, you have to select your second scene here. So I'm going to select your second scene, then tap on export, and repeating this all these step, and you have to export all this video first. After exporting of all this video, select your first scene here, and after that you have to tap on add button, and you have to select your second scene, third scene, fourth scene, and fifth scene. You have to add every scene in sequence wise. After that, tap on import here. Then you can notice here you have successfully generated this whole video in one frame. If you want to add here AI voiceover, then you also can do here. If you want to edit any type of things, if you want to add text, then you can edit this video according to your choice here. If you want to voiceover manually, then also you can do here by the help of YouTube Create. And if you want to edit this video in CapCut, then also you can do all this type of things here. Then after editing of this video, you can tap on export, select your resolution according to your device. If your device support 2K, then you can select here. That's all about today's video. Thanks for watching this video. If you got this video helpful, then like this video and subscribe this channel. We will meet soon in another new video.